Okay, first lady, I'm going to do the thigh high stocking. Okay, and the thigh high stocking is just looks like a regular, what do you say, just a regular stocking, right? But this one is supposed to go all the way up. Now let's see if this really works, lady, because I'm doing different brands and we're going to see what works, what doesn't work. Now, when you're doing stockings, you have to take both thumbs in. If you never did it, you take both thumbs in on each side of the stockings to prevent the rip or the tear. And you keep your hands out here. Then we go here and we're going to put them on. Now, always keep a little finger room up there because you don't want to, you want to give it a little room if you have nails or just, you don't want it to, it'll rip, okay? Because you want to make sure that line is right on the nail part. All right, now we're going to stretch this and we're going to see how this works because it's supposed to go all the way up my thigh. Now, again, ladies, if you don't know, I'm 5'11". So I don't know if this is going to go all the way up to my thigh, but we're going to try it. And let's see what happens. Now, remember I showed you this part here, right? It's supposed to look lacy-like. Well, I have big thighs. So let's see if we can show the lace part in my thigh. Did we show it? I think we did. We show it. Okay? So that's the lace. Now, that's the thigh high. Now, is this something, would I wear this? I don't know, it's interesting because I have big thighs. And so therefore, it's not smoothing for me. They're nice. And it probably work if you're slimmer, I guess. I'm not going to say that. But for me, I'm not a thigh high stocking person. I'm either going to do the knee or they've got to come all the way up. So that's why now, ladies, I'm going to show you what these look like, okay? Because this may be for some. If you like it, they're very nice. They're very thick. I love how they feel. So you see how they look. So they're very, very pretty stockings. I will say they are pretty gorgeous. But for me, having these thighs, I'll do another kind, okay? So remember to look in the link in the description. I'll give you information about the best places to find these fishnets because they're very hard to find, okay? So we will be back. Thank you for being with Dr. Pamela Ageless Beauty. And I'll be back with the stocking. Okay, so now we have them on, right? And as you see, these are the style, the print of these fishnet stockings. I think they're really sexy. So being that I have more room, you got to bring this up higher. But guess what? You can because look, I still have room here. So you still just keep pulling it up until you get it to where you want it to be. Right now, for YouTube purposes, as you see, I'm in my shorts because we have to, keep it user-friendly. So, but the stocking will still go up higher. I'm not pulling it up higher because I have these shorts on. So they will continue to go here if that's what you want them to do. Because as you see, I can get them to go there. But because of the shorts, it's blocking it because this here. All right? But these are really, really good. I feel that you should really, truly, truly get because anyone can wear them. Now, right up here, you'll see in the waist part here, it goes all the way here, but I can bring it all the way to the top. So this particular type of this company's fishnets are really, really sexy. I really love it. I'm going to try to put on another style. This is what this type of fishnets I think are really cute. These are really pretty. So you can really just wear this with some shorts and a nice top and it'll look really, really nice. So I think this is really, really sexy. What do you think? Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to come back and I'm going to do another print because Fishnet stockings are really, really sexy. Now I have them again, as I said, I have them in various, styles and prints. This one is the solid one, so we don't need to see that, but I am going to show you another print style and how you put them on, because that's the whole key. Once you figure out how to start putting on fishnet, it's really not bad. Now, the purpose of fishnet, those who don't understand about fishnet stockings, the purpose of it is to wear a dress where you don't have on anything. This is why you usually wear G-string underwears, or you don't wear anything except the stocking. And the reason why is because you have the piece of coverage for you, and you're doing that to give you some flawless coverage. Now, that's one reason. The other reason is you wear it because you want to wear an outfit that doesn't need the stocking type of form. You need the space, because of whatever you're wearing, you can't bring that stocking all the way over. This will do that because you see how it pulls out? So it will go over whatever you're trying to wear. So this type of fishnet stocking are excellent to wear with certain type of attire that you are creating or wanting to wear under your garment, okay? Now, this one, like I said, is a very nice print. Just put on some nice skirt and a nice top and just go out and be sexy. All right, ladies, I'll be back and we'll do one more print and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, welcome back, ladies. Welcome back as we are doing a talk and a show on fishnet stocking. So welcome back. Now, this particular fishnet stocking, I'm going to explain the difference in it and the reason why it's here, okay? Now, this fishnet stocking only has 2 seams to it. You have the seam in the front, and then you have a seam in the back. This one is more of a thigh, lower thigh, versus the other one that will go all the way here. And so they do different things. So, which is good. If you're going to wear a short skirt or a short type of outfit, I would go with the one that have the 3 seams, which pulls all the way up higher. This particular one is a 2 seam, which is for lower of the thigh. Now, don't get me wrong. If you're a person that want to bring the 2 seam up, you can do that. Would that be sexy? Nah, because the key is to wear them in a sexy look. And I think wearing it the way it looks right now is sexy. Now remember, it's high. You gotta remember, this is up here. I'm in shorts. But this is up to your waist here. And it could technically go up if you wanted to. I wouldn't do that. I would keep it here at my waist versus going higher, because this is where it's supposed to be. So I think this one right here is a very awesome, sexy look and great to wear under any great, awesome outfit, skirt, dress. And you don't have to wear, like I said, anything with this one. You just wear a thong because, again, it's more lower. You can wear the thongs, or you can wear the shorts, just like I have on now. So you can wear the shorts, and that's up to you. You got me? So I think this one here is really, really nice. Really, really wear well. So I hope you like our fishnet showing this time. And on the next one, I'm going to show you a fishnet entire bodysuit that is out there that you can get and you can wear all over and don't have to wear anything except the entire stocking body. It's an entire fishnet body stocking, okay? So thank you for being with Dr. Pamela Ageless Beauty. We'll be back. Thank you for being a part, and I will see you soon. Take care.